welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, I'm going to try to start working on this Honda Civic that you've seen behind me. You know, in a couple of videos you've been seeing this vehicle back here. I think it's about time for it to get ready to go home. So we got a couple things to do to it: suspension work, brakes, and all that other good stuff. I'll get the body prepped and ready for paint. Hopefully we could get it out of here in the next couple episodes and finally get it to its rightful home. So yeah, stick with me. We're gonna see how it goes. Okay, I was able to finish up with the suspension. Got that up. Change out some engine mounts on all four. Put in a new master cylinder, and that was pretty much it with the suspension. Brakes. Yeah, I was also able to put in a brand new radiator. I wish I would have filmed all this. Camera died, and I was so much in go mode, so I just kept on going. But yeah, I'm gonna continue on now. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash the vehicle and get it all cleaned up and ready for paint. Okay, now that I got off these bumpers, I'm gonna go ahead and start popping out these dents that it has around here. I'm gonna sand them down, get them prepped. Then I'll move on to the vehicle and get those dents knocked out. And yeah, we're gonna keep on moving forward. Getting them knocked out. Yeah. Get those straightened up. Sandfield. I'm not gonna bore you guys with all the theatrics. sand it down. All the edges, dents. I use an 80 grit sandpaper to go ahead and sand this stuff down. Get it as rough as possible. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and lay some filler over these areas and flatten it. All right, let's get at it. I'm getting bit by red ants, man. I think that's it for the video. That's it. Done. All right, as you can see right now, it's currently raining, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I was able to get a lot of the work finished on this driver's side, so hopefully in the next video we could get the other side. Got some work to do on the wing here. Fix the ends. Go ahead and fix those. I'll get some fiberglass. So if you guys enjoyed this video right here, give me a like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Check you guys next time. Peace.